Hello friends, I'm Dr. Mamta Tripathi, cornea anti-segment surgeon practicing in Mumbai. All of us are going through a very difficult phase of corona pandemic, which has affected our life in different ways. It has made us invariably to do more of indoor activities and limited our outdoor movements. This has affected our life a lot, and it has made us to use more and more of digital gadgets, either in the form of mobile, laptop, computer or television for our routine work as well as for our entertainment. Not only the adults, even the children and the senior citizens are also forced to use these devices more and more. Improper, long-term and continuous use of devices are resulting in the problems of the eyes in the form of digital eye strain, dry eyes and even the refractive errors. It's often said that prevention is better than cure. So there can be simple precautionary steps which can be taken to prevent these problems of eyes causing strain, dry eyes and the refractive errors. I'm going to discuss these precautionary steps in three different categories, making it simple. First, the precautionary steps related to the devices, whatever we are using, digital one, that is mobile, laptop or whatsoever. Secondly, the measures maintaining the surrounding atmosphere where we are working to be comfortable. And the third is the steps minor which to be taken by the individual person using these devices. Let's see the details of all these precautionary measures. The precautionary measures related to the devices comprises of, first most important is the distancing of the device from the eyes, which should be not less than 35 centimeter from the eyes to minimize the eye strain. The illumination, the contrast sensitivity of the devices should be properly set before utilizing it. The screen blue filter, either preset, can be used or anti-glare, anti-reflective screen can be added to the device while using it. The size of the font should also be adjusted properly. The surrounding atmosphere has to be well maintained. This is specifically to prevent the evaporation of the surface tear film from the eyes. This can be made comfortable by adjusting the blow of the fan or the AC such that it is not directly focused to the eyes or it is not directly causing dryness to the eyes. This can be either from the sideways or from the back, but should not be overhead or from the front. The second precautionary measure is maintaining the humidity of the surrounding area, which can be done by the use of humidifier or by the simple way of keeping a bowl of water so that it evaporates and maintains the humidity. The room should be properly lit and the light should not directly fall on the screen of the device which we are using to prevent the reflective glare. Now, few simple steps to prevent the dryness, eye strain while working with these devices, which has to be taken care by the individual itself are, it's often said that the blinking rate is reduced as a normal mechanism while working with these devices. Hence, we have to make a conscious effort to blink often while using them. Beside this, after 20 minutes, a 20-second break should be taken to relax our eyes, to prevent the eye strain and maintain the surface tear film of the eyes. And a defocus should be done from the screen of the device, from the screen to a far distance, which can be even up to 20 feet, to relax our muscles and relax the strains in the eyes. The other things which has to be considered is the diet, which is of great importance, rich in vitamin A, D, calcium and omega fatty acid should be used properly because it helps to maintain the surface tear film. These are the few simple precautionary measures which has to be taken. The Precautionary measure which I explained just now, about 20 break of 20 seconds for after every 20 minutes, and for defocusing at 20 feet is often called as 20-20-20 rule, which has to be followed by the people. These are the simple few steps which can be taken to prevent the digital eye strain, the dry eyes, and development of the refractive errors. Eyes are precious gift of God. Take care and be happy. Thank you.